Alright, just off for a quick afternoon hunt. Come on there, little pacer. Spook ass. Black ass, you can come for a run too, mate. Hey, everyone, I'm setting up for a quick hunt. Got a nice eating pig on Monday night, and we're just going to head out and have a crack now. Ava's just got her little walkie-talkie. Try not to really split up with her, obviously, but sometimes if the dogs get a good pig, we'll just leave her somewhere, and you just keep in touch with the radio. Right, let's go. I just got to where we're going to go for a bit of a hunt. Frothed up bub up to Kindy. We're going to break the drought with the 3-star. Hopefully we can get onto one in here. It's always a bit of fun when you're hunting with a grommy, because you've got to try and, if you actually get a good boar, you kind of have to plan it. So we've got radios, and yeah, but I try not to leave her on her own at all. But sometimes she's just got to scurry up a tree and wait there till I give her a radio to tell her to come down, or however it plays out. But the dogs are just taken off now, so we'll keep you updated. Dogs just had a good one down here. Do you want to just stand up here? Yeah? Standing there? Got your radio? Here. You're right, I'll come get you once I've shot it, okay? Here, hold that. Shh. Hey.
Not too far.
It's just up there. It sounds like quite a good pig though. You just wait right there. It's always in this thing. Just be quiet, bud. Wait there. Yeah, right, bub. Bugger's ended up grabbing that. Sounds like I've got a bit of it. Good dogs. Good pig, that. Pacey, come here. Good dogs. You right, bub? Good dogs. Good dogs. You right, bub? Wait there, I got him. Good girl, Dookie. Good dogs. Oh, well, nice ball that. Good dogs. Need to check these dogs over. There's a couple of tune-ups there. Bastards ended up grabbing them. Here, Pace. Come here. Good girl. What are you dealing with here? Good girl. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Here, Pace. You're probably pretty lucky there, mate. Good girl. Good dogs. Who else has got some? Good girl. Roll over. Ah, yeah, Bear's got a couple of close shaves. Come here, Dooker. Good dogs. Here, Spook. Good dogs. Come here. Yeah, I'll come get you, bub. I'm just checking these dogs. Good girl, Spooky. Good dogs. Good girl, Pace. All right, let's go. He's an angry pig.
Oh, is it mad?
Did you not hear it rip the dogs up? Got that fella, a couple of rips there but nothing too major, and the dogs just plug it off and got another one, so get this 4-year-old and the boar out, happy days. This light's starting to fade a bit on us now guys, but hunting with a 4-year-old, she's a pretty slow carry out, but she's going pretty good for a 4-year-old. She's pretty keen, so you can't knock them if they're keen. Just got to take our time. We've got heaps of torches and should be all good. So Mr. Borry home. What are we, 105? About roughly what we guessed. Happy days.